This week, I made a trophy. Hi everyone, welcome back to the City Aperture channel. My name is Jose, and I go by City Aperture. And this week, I made a quick soccer trophy for a tradition that my wife's family has, family and friends actually, where every Thanksgiving they play a soccer game the morning of Thanksgiving. This year, so I decided to make a quick trophy for it. It's made out of scrap wood, plastic, and an old toy. So I'm going to walk you through how I did it real quick, and we'll talk real quick after. So let's go ahead and get to that. Alright, so here's the stand. We're going to glue all these pieces together. Then later, once it dries, I'm going to reinforce it from underneath with this dowel. And we'll sand and then we'll ready to stain. So let's get to the gluing. Okay, I'm going to try and keep the glue a certain distance away, just so that it doesn't have a ton of squeeze out. So that way it's not an issue cleaning it up later. Okay, after a lot of wrangling and finagling, there it is, centered, gluing. Let that set for a bit and then we'll do the top. Okay, turning back to the soccer ball. Off camera, I cut off the back that it had on it using a little pool saw. And with a pane, I'm going to sand that off in a bit. Probably with the disc sander to make it nice and even. But we're going to trace, this is some styrene plastic. I'm going to trace the circle here and the diamond in the middle. It's not a diamond, but the pentagon in the middle is going to fit right in. Cut it all out of styrene plastic. Let's get to that. So when cutting this circle, I'm going to stay outside the black line because once I glue it, I can always sand to the line. So yeah, let's just do that. Now we're going to apply the finish. A little bit of Danish oil. So here we have some 5-minute epoxy. I usually just mix it by eye. Put the part that's plastic up against. There you go. That is how I made a quick, and I do mean quick, it took me 2 days, quick trophy for a soccer game. And it's made out of scrap wood, plastic toys, some felt in the bottom. So yeah, there you guys have it. It's pretty quick. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments, and I'll see you guys next week with another project. If you guys like this project, then maybe you'll enjoy the podcast that I do with my 2 colleagues, Claudia and Ray. We discuss purpose-driven design, making, and manufacturing. We talk about architecture. We talk about all sorts of making. We have a project of the week. So yeah, please check it out. Again, it's called The Made Podcast. Thanks so much.